Morning to everyone. Today I teach you band theory of solid. What is band theory of solid? When molecular orbital theory explained in case of metals, then this theory is known as band theory. This theory can be explained on the basis of example of lithium metal. Definition: when molecular orbital theory explained in case of metals, then this theory is known as band theory. This theory can be explained on the by taking the example of lithium metal. What is the configuration of lithium metal? Atomic number is 3, 1s2, 2s1. Total 3, 2p is empty. So, in case of lithium atom, always 2s orbital combine together. First, in the formation of Li2 molecule. In the formation of Li2 molecule, there are two s electron of first lithium atom and second lithium atom. There are 2s electrons of lithium atom combine together to form one bonding molecular orbitals and one anti-bonding molecular orbitals, which we can explain by their diagram as Li2 molecule. This is a atom 1 of first lithium atom, 2s electron. This is a 2s electron. This is atom number 2 of second lithium electron. When they combine, they form one bonding molecular orbital and one anti-bonding molecular orbitals. ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Total outermost shell has 2 electrons. These 2 electrons goes to bonding molecular orbital. Second, in the formation of Li3 molecule. There are total 3 2s shell combine. Total number of electrons are 3. There are 2s electrons combine of 3 lithium atom. there are two s electron combined of 3 lithium atom and forms one bonding molecular orbitals, one anti-bonding molecular orbitals and one non-bonding molecular orbitals. हम इसे कैसे याद रख सकते हैं? टोटल 3 लिथियम एटम कंबाइन हो रहे हैं, वन बॉन्डिंग, वन एंटी बॉन्डिंग एंड वन इज नॉन बॉन्डिंग. अगर ऑड नंबर है तो उसमें नॉन बॉन्डिंग बनेगा, और अगर इवन नंबर है तो इक्वल इक्वल डिविजन्स हो जाएंगे कि 2 बॉन्डिंग और 2 एंटी बॉन्डिंग, विच वी कैन शोन एज बाय देयर डायग्राम. Lithium atom, total number of atoms 3, atom number 1 का outermost shell, atom number 2, atom number 3, atom 1 of lithium, atom 2 of lithium, atom 3 of lithium, and this is outermost shell electron, 2s electron. These are the 2s electron, outermost shell electrons. Total number of electrons are 3. And total molecular orbitals formed are also 3, because 3 atomic orbital combined they form 3 molecular orbital. One is bonding molecular orbital, one is anti-bonding molecular orbital, and one is non-bonding molecular orbitals. And total number of electrons are 3. So 2 goes in bonding molecular orbital and 1 goes in non-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbitals are empty, always empty. Third point, in the formation of Li4 molecules, there are total 4 2s shell electrons combine to form 4 molecular orbitals, that is 2 bonding molecular orbitals and 2 anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Why? Because this is total number of lithium atom is 4, so it is equal divide. 2 is bonding molecular orbital and 2 is anti-bonding molecular orbital, and their diagram are shown as. Total number of atoms is Li4. Participant lithium atom is 4. This is atom number 4, and they form 2 bonding molecular orbital, 2 anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is 2 bonding molecular orbitals, and this is 2 anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Total number of electrons of 2s is 4, so it is distributed as 2 to 4, but anti-bonding is empty, only bonding are filled. In the formation of Li, n number of molecules. there are n number of 2s shell electrons combine to form many number of bonding molecular orbitals, non-bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. These large number of orbitals look like as a band. So this theory is known as band theory of solid, which we show in diagram as Li n number of molecule. This is atom 1. This is n number of atoms, and they form large number of bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. This is composed of many bonding and non-bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So it look like as a band. So this theory is known as band theory of solid. इसमें जो bonding molecular orbital है which are filled and anti-bonding are unfilled or empty. All filled orbitals make valence band, all unfilled orbital make conduction band. On the basis of this theory, the material is classified into 3 types. First is conductor, second is semiconductor, and third is insulator. Now we come to first conductor band. Conductor. This is a valence shell या valence band or conduction band. Valence band are those which have a electron. It is a full-filled shell. There is a no energy gap between valence shell and conduction band. There is a no energy gap between valence band and conduction band. So their electrons can easily move from valence band to conduction band. So it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Second, we come to semiconductor. Semiconductor. According to its name, it is not pure conductor. There is a small energy gap between valence band and conduction band. This is a valence band in which electrons present, and this is conduction band. In this there is a small energy gap between valence band to conduction band. So a small amount of energy required to move electron from valence band to conduction band. स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगी, दैट एनर्जी में भी टेम्परेचर राइज से भी हम सेमी कंडक्टर को कंडक्टर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. हीट और एनर्जी और टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज, सेमी कंडक्टर बिहेव लाइक एज ए कंडक्टर. दिस इज सेमी कंडक्टर. नाउ वी कम्स टू इंसुलेटर. Insulator are those in which there is a large energy gap between valence band and conduction band. So it is not possible to move the electron from valence band to conduction band easily. Between valence band and conduction band. So large amount of energy is required to move electron from valence band to conduction band. So this is a insulator. Now this theory is complete. Thank you.